khublei shibun bro kadon ki post ki LAIT kam South LAIT kadai direct interview work interview kane kadai hapo office of Government of India Regional Office Ministry of Environment Forest and Climate Change Lum Batangan tekitu ki bakwa sampai inda video hadu pukut ki kita ki post ki LAIT work in interview Ministry of Environment Forest and Climate Change Regional Office Shillong hereby invite application under the scheme financial support for strengthening the monitoring and implementation of the compensatory afforestation fund act by regional office on contract basis. Tekan mau kadai contract basis te ko apply select kata kapor for the post given below. Teki don south lagi post te sampai kiba don kata qualification kapus kabaningkong konsultan arngut atau lagi post saupo jar sibanai. Age of a candidate must be 27 years and not more than 45 years for consultant. Essential qualification: master degree in science or bachelor degree in engineering technology as minimum qualification with 1 to 3 years experience in the required field as well as good knowledge of MS Office. Desirable candidate with master degree in science with forestry shall be given preference. Begitu kita dan nega experience tekstil ala menlay data entry operator artali post arpsana jarak tulob. Age of candidate must be 20 to 33 years for data entry operator. Essential qualification: candidate should possess degree in any discipline discipline BA, BSc, BCom, BTech, bro hila apply and possess a speed test of not less than 30 words per minute for data entry work. Jadi mendan ya kata-kata speed test belong live words per minute which shall be ascertained through speed test on computer. Takmut ba kam biang hi gibal adab ya computer hi bala computer taken test ru ya speed typing jong phi hapo computer. The candidate with higher qualification and having a good computer knowledge shall be given preference. Takadau kiba biang qualification kam biang computer knowledge kini kam ai kita hi te kitu gibom don te bah nai lej re tang gibal biang bah tekin lej. Only Indian national eligible to apply. The engagement of a post shall purely on temporary basis of 1 year and may be terminated by giving 1 month's notice if the service is not found satisfactorily. Okay, she's name taken sa I notice or iba kam ibiang gajing terkam taken sa pasangeno. Upon selection, the candidate shall be required to attend this office. The candidate shall be governed by the rule regulation. Okay, interested candidate tekitu kiba don interest ai ka bagay dewanna. Interested and eligible candidate are to bring their application in plain paper addressed to DDGF C, MOEF and CC RO Shillong, New Nylon Airway with updated biodata, a recent passport size photograph along with original and photocopies of certificate and mark sheet duly self-attested by them. Pihak original but ki zero but pihak self-attested kita. Interview will be held on 25 kan mau tarik 25 March 2025 at Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Regional Office Shillong near Supercare Hospital. Te hajan Supercare kadon Lum Batangan Shillong New Nylon Airway from 11 AM onward kadoi baje senang. Tangin hi tip khublei shibun.